So we done stumbled across the car show out here in Orlando at the Fun Zone. So, you know, we gotta come and check it out. It's nice here, man. They really driving their cars here. Look at the motor. Ooh. What motorsport? Thunderbird right here. Real nice. I like cars that's just driven and not so, you know, just showcase kind of cars, I should say. What he running on the back? Sheesh.
He got maximum grip.
Yeah, boy. Nice. A Nissan 280Z. Nice. You can still see the gas pressure moving through the tubes. Nice. You see the gas still going through the tubes? Right there. Don't touch it though, but right there on top. By the carburetor up top. Right here. Up top, son. The carburetor. No, you ain't looking where I'm pointing.
Oh, that.
Yeah, nice. Ford Mustang 5.0 over here in the cut. These things are fast. Let's see if we got a shift kit in there. No shift kit, but it's a manual. Wow. Nice Mustang. Wish we could see the motor. Look at the Chevy El Camino. They riding out in they Toyota. That's pretty neat. That's cool. Chevy for sale. All original. Love them Chevy trucks though. I see a lot of them have these Toyotas. I like this though. Wow, he got the original motor in that thing. Jeez. You don't see that too much.
The comparison to your engine?
Right. It's a Lincoln Continental.
I wish your old school was fixed up. You could have paid me.
I know. I wish my car was hooked up. Got the Beatles.
Yeah, is that the Shelby?
It looks like it. Boy, in Cuba they got it named. Nice. These guys really take care of their cars and drive it. I like this Chevy one. With the Wolverine in the back. Nice. This one really done up. Chevy Nova. Probably the cleanest car out here. And it's a super sport, y'all. Yes, sir. Yeah. Wow. Caliente. You do?
Put 1,000 horsepower.
The Ford. I never seen one of these up close. It's
Se
nice.
lo llevan, no lo llaman para atrás, él lo llaman, no lo arreglan. Después cuando habla con él dice que no lo pueden arreglar.
All original on this bad boy. You could tell. Nothing been changed. Imperial. (1934) Ford Roadster. Where's that?
Oh, it has a Cobra.
Nice. Yeah, now this is beautiful. Wow, this is a beautiful Ford Shelby. I don't think I've seen one up close in a long time.
There's a Challenger.
Wow.
That man
Beautiful lineup, y'all. You got the Ford Shelby, then you have the Chevy Stingray Corvette, right next to another Corvette. Beautiful. I like this color. I don't think I've seen this color before. Look at the manual, the old way. That is sick. Yeah, this is nice. Very beautiful.
Oh, this is the Corvette.
Yeah, this is the Corvette Stingray. They both look like they around the same year, but this one got the T-tops.
Probably this one.
Nah, look at the inside. Still the same. This is nice.
It's faster because it's got 4 thicker tires.
I don't know which one I take, but something telling me to go with the green one just because the green different.
I like the
The gray ones do look beastie though. I like the window. They both nice. Gotta show our Dodge brother some love here. Look at this old school Challenger. 1972. A big 340 in there. Nice. Here's the specs.
This come from Dodge.
Yep. It's the original one.
I wish it was a manual though.
Back in the day, in the 30s,
I wonder if it actually still running.
40s maybe, who knows? Classic Ford, old school Ford F-150 here truck. Little beastie. Elderbrock motor in there. It's cool, got the fire station badge. It's a 78 F-150.
Is this a Ford?
It's a 442 here, Buick.
That's the
Yes, sir. Look at the big block on the Buick 442. Oh my God. Now this car here is a beast.
Can it beat that orange dog?
Beast. Yeah. Lighter, faster. Wow. Beast of a car. And then we got an SS350 over here. 1974 Nova. It's a pretty fast car here too. Yeah, you see the Novas. They in full effect. Let's see what's down here. I see a Cadillac, I see a Chevy,
See a Mustang.
GTO right here. Give me this. Yes. Pontiac GTO. Wow.
That yellow car's Is that the car, that one?
Let's see.
Not this yellow one, but the other one.
Nice little Cadillac.
I think that one's the fastest one.
Ooh, the motor is clean on this Cadillac.
It looks big as your
Got a cross member bar so it don't sway. It's a smooth ride here. All original, y'all. Cadillac DeVille, boy. Wow, still got the 8-track. Wow, he do got the 8-track still in there. That's sweet. Look how much it was back in the day. 12,000. This could have been yours. Wow, all original. It don't get no better than that, y'all. It's nice.
Does it have the window?
No, it look like it got electric on it. Now this is a nice Stingray. Chevy gang. All original 350 on that thing. Running and driving. I like that. He haven't touched it. This is cool and unique. Huh? Oh, wow, yeah, it is. That's a custom hot rodder here. I don't know what it is, but some type of wagon. Yeah, that's an air intake. A big one. Yeah, this one for sale. All original, right? So, it's pretty hot out here, guys. Woo. We just had to check out the car show. You know we couldn't say no.
Unexpected car show.
Yeah, unexpected car show. My son came and rode some fast go-karts at Fun Zone. And Fun Spot, Fun Zone, one of them. And we had to come and check out these cars, so. Yeah,
1967.
nice. There's a few of them that I like out here now. There's a few of them. Yeah, that truck bad. I'll pull my boat with that. It's a hard choice for me, but I go with the Stingray. My son probably take the Shelby. But I don't know, this Challenger is pretty sick too though, but something about that Corvette, I'm a Chevy guy, y'all know that. So, it's been fun. We finna get up out of here. Yes, sir. Cruiser of the month.